Ooh, damn, it's up. I have a bunch of lines and fittings, wastegate studs and bolts and nuts, wastegate bracket instructions. My turbo is here, including the downpipe and the manifold. So let me grab that real quick. Pretty heavy. I haven't assembled it together yet, so this is what I'm gonna do in this video, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. I got all my tools that I need. I think it's all in there. And hopefully I don't strip anything, because that would suck. I did get this from Flying Miata. Okay, so let's open this up. That's pretty dull. What is this? Installation instructions? Yeah, okay. Garrett GT2560R. It was expensive. I think this was the most expensive thing. Oh boy. This is exhaust manifold, of course, powered by Flying Miata. And then I have the outlet. Flying Miata. So I got the turbocharger and an MS3 Pro sticker, and I got my ECU is an MS plug and play 2 for 90-93 chassis. My 95-96 one I had to sell because it did not work with this one, which works out great for me. I think that was the most important one of them all for sure. And the reason why I'm doing this up here is because it's pretty shitty outside. Pretty shitty. So first things first, from what I understood, I'm gonna do the wastegate bracket first. I gotta remove this. That looks about right. So this is done, sort of. I would like to put on some Teflon paste on this one, then I'll tighten that down. And I still gotta add the water lines and the oil drain, but I'll do that later. And the oil feed is on, so this is done. Let's put this away and move on to the next one, which will be the manifold. So I do have Inconel studs, which are these, I believe, the ones in the tube. Alright, studs are on there. They're hand tight, sort of, kind of. Now I gotta torque it down. Twerk, torque, twerk, torque, twerk, torque. What? I forgot what it was. 24 foot-pounds? I don't even know if my torque wrench goes that low. Ooh. So from my understanding, exhaust would be sitting like this, and then turbo will be clocked downward like this, so I think that's right. Oh, that's gonna be a tight fit. But I think we're pretty much almost there. I think I'm gonna use these for the outlet, which is this right here. Yeah, the outlet doesn't have Inconel studs because it's just an outlet. It don't really need one, I believe. But anyway, yeah, I need to put this on with these. So let's see, this is basically mounted to the manifold, and so is the outlet. What I have to do now, water. That looks like it's about the middle, right? I hope so. Okay, I think I'm done for today. I should be done for today. So I got my oil lines in and out. Everything's just loosely on because I still need to reroute this to make sure it works for my car. Oil drain I still haven't done yet because I still need, you know, RTV, and then I need the Teflon paste for that one. I swear to God, this thing weighs about 60 pounds. I don't know. All said and done. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a good learning experience for me. And in the next video, I should finish everything up and have this bolted up to the car. Oh, it's exciting. Okay, next time.